Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about cost concept and cost curve. We will especially see short run cost curve. First of all, we will see what is cost. Cost is the total expenditure which is done by a producer to make the production process complete. और प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए प्रोड्यूसर को डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्रोडक्शन फैक्टर्स ज़रूरत होती है, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, रॉ मटेरियल एक्सेट्रा. And in short run, there are two types of factors as we know. Fixed factors and variable factors. Fixed factors are those जिनको हम short run में जिनकी quantity increase भी नहीं कर सकते और decrease भी नहीं कर सकते. They are fixed factors. उनको purchase करने पे जो cost आती है that is fixed cost. And the variable factors are those जिनकी क्वांटिटी हम आसानी से इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं शॉर्ट रन में और डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. दे आर फिक्स फैक्टर्स एंड द कॉस्ट विच अ प्रोड्यूसर बियर ऑन वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स टू परचेज वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स दैट इज कॉल्ड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. सो इन शॉर्ट रन देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स एंड ड्यू टू दिस देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कॉस्ट. First is fixed cost and second one is variable cost. So total cost is divided into two categories: total fixed cost and total variable cost. So total cost is the sum of total fixed cost and total variable cost. First of all, we will see what is total fixed cost. As I have said, total expenditure which is done to purchase fixed factors like land, labor, machinery, etc. in short run, that is called total fixed cost. And we should remember this, that in short run fixed cost remains constant because fixed factors can't be changed in short run. So total fixed cost remains fixed in short run. Like land, capital, machinery, they can't be increased in short run, and the cost which a producer bear to purchase fixed factors, that is also remains constant. So it is independent to the production level. TFC remains constant and it is independent to the production level. प्रोडक्शन चाहे ज़ीरो हो, चाहे मैक्सिमम लेवल तक हम प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करें, बट production TFC remains always constant. So this is a special type of cost. Now we will move to total variable cost. Total variable cost is the total expenditure which is done to purchase the variable factors like raw material, labor, etc. in short run. If a producer want to increase production level, so he have to increase variable factors also. एंड जब वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स की क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है तो उन पर किया जाने वाला एक्सपेंडिचर भी इंक्रीज होएगा एंड द टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट विल आल्सो इंक्रीज. सो इन शॉर्ट रन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्शन लेवल. एज प्रोडक्शन लेवल इंक्रीजेज और डिक्रीजेज, सो TVC also moves according to production level. So this is all about total cost. Now we will see marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change in total cost which occurs when the producer produces an additional unit of output. So we can write delta TC upon delta Q, or we can write delta TVC upon delta Q, because in short run TFC remains always constant, so the total cost changes according to TVC. So every change of TVC will affect total cost. So to produce an additional unit, whatever change comes in total cost, that is called marginal cost. So marginal cost is an important concept in short run in all the economic analysis. And we can also write, if we have to get nth unit marginal cost, we will subtract total cost of n minus 1 unit from the total cost of n units, and we will get marginal cost. Now we will see average cost, average fixed cost, and average variable cost. Average cost is also called per unit cost. To get average cost, we have to divide total cost by the output. Average cost is also the sum of average fixed cost and average variable cost. Now, how we will get average fixed cost and average variable cost? In short run, I have said earlier that there are two types of cost, fixed cost and variable cost. So when total fixed cost is divided by output, we will get AFC, and it is a special type of cost because TFC remains constant in short run. So when we divide increasing production level, we will get continuously decreasing AFC. So it is a special type of cost in short run. To get AVC, we have to divide TVC by output, and we will get AVC. So that's all for today's video. In my next video, I will make this concept more clear with help of a table and diagram of all short run cost. Thank you.